Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to boost processor or CPU speed in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to increase or boost your processor or CPU speed on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to go to your control panel. For that, click on start menu. Then type here in the search bar control panel. Just click on the control panel. In this, if it is selected as category, you just click on view by and select as large icon. After selecting as large icon, here you need to find power option. You can see here power option. Just click on this. You can see here selected as balanced. In your case, maybe it is selected as high performance mode. In my section, it is selected as balanced. In your PC, if it is selected as high performance, just you need to click on the change plan setting. In this, you can see here change advanced power up setting. Just click on this. You need to scroll down a little bit. Guys, you can see here processor power management. Just expand this one. In this, you can see here minimum processor state. Just expand this one. Guys, in this you can see on battery and plugged in, both should be 0%. And below you can see maximum processor state. Just expand this one. And this both should be 100%. After doing these settings, just click on apply, then OK. After doing this, just close this one and go to the second option. Just click on start menu, then type here settings. Click on settings. Click on this search box. Here you need to type optimize. Guys, you can see here defragment and optimize your device. Just click on that. In this, you need to select the drive which you want to optimize. You need to select the C drive and click on optimize. After clicking optimize, you need to wait for a couple of minutes to complete this process. Guys, after clicking optimize, you need to wait a couple of minutes to complete this process. Guys, it will take more time, so I will minimize this screen and I will show you the third option. Just close this one. You need to open the file explorer. For that, right click on start menu. Open file explorer. In this, you can see this PC. Just right click on that. Click on properties. After that, you can see here advanced system setting. Just click on that. Under advanced tab, you will find performance. Under performance, you will find settings. Just click on that. In this, you need to select adjust for the best performance. Just click on that. Click on apply. Then click on OK. Again click OK and close this window. Guys, once doing all the settings, once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your processor and CPU will be boosted. That's it guys. So in this way you can boost processor or CPU speed in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.